We all deserve our place. Together there will be a world that is complete. There's gotta be a way, something to stop it all. That's why I'm here to say I can't sit and see them fall. I can't sit and see them fall. There's gotta be a way, something to stop